Can I use virgin coconut oil when it is solid? One of the more common questions that we get at VMV is, why does virgin coconut oil solidify, and if it does, is it okay to use? We have a video that covers this in more detail, but we thought one of the best ways perhaps to answer this is to show you. Virgin coconut oil naturally butters in cooler temperatures and is a natural liquid in warmer temperatures. If the oil is solid, you can just put the bottle in some warm water and it'll liquefy quite naturally. Or you can just scoop out the solid oil and use it as normal because it melts upon contact with skin. You can stick a popsicle stick in there or a spatula or your fingers, and as you'll see, as soon as you apply the frozen oil to skin, it starts to melt. The heat of your skin melts it almost instantly, and then you can just use it as normal. Some people actually like keeping their virgin coconut oil in the refrigerator because it is so soothing. It actually makes for a really, really nice, cool compress, especially for skin that has a flare, or has eczema, or is feeling itchy or irritated, or say after a sunburn. So there, you can totally use our virgin coconut oil when it's solid. This is Laura of VMV Hypoallergenics. We're here to save the world's skin with the safest, most proven effective care on the planet. And one of our most popular products is our organic, cold first pressed, really slow pressed virgin coconut oil, which has its own published studies on that particular oil itself for various dermatological concerns, which is really rather special. You can find our virgin coconut oil at vmv.hypoallergenics.com internationally and vmv.hypoallergenics.ph in the Philippines. And don't forget to like and follow us on social media, and certainly comment here and ask us any questions that you might have. Thanks.